Hello everyone, welcome to my course. I am Amit. In this video, we will going to start about the loop condition and we will going to see what is indentation. Indentation are required to arrange the set of instruction and code in a proper format. Indentation error will occur if any of the instruction is not in proper space, if you have not provided or if you have not uh, written that code in a proper line. Let me show you. Here this code, once we run this code, it's running successfully, right? Now I will do some changes here and let's see. It is giving error, right? And the error is what? Indentation error. Why this indentation error occur? Because this print should come inside this function and it should be in parallel to the name of a function. But here, when you just make a changes to that, it will give an error. That is the reason that is called as indentation. So indentation are required by Python to arrange the set of block of a code in a proper space. So these are the local area of this function. Example, here example is a function. Inside this function you have declared a variable a. Now here you will going to print it. So I have shown you, like, if you make any changes to this function, it will give an error. So I have arranged once again this. Let me run one again. So now it is executed successfully. Now let me make some more changes. Let me bring this def here and add a new line. Now let's see whether it is working fine or not. So I will rerun again. I make changes to their space. I think it will run, but let's see. So it has run successfully. Now here I am going to call the function layer 2. So it has run successfully. Similarly, I will going to call example. Now here you see the differences. Here the difference was earlier when I declare it in a separate indentation, it was printing um, like it was printing separately, right? But here now you can see this code I have previously written where this both function was written in a proper format, means this layer 2 was inside this example 1. So let's do that also. So I will add one more cell here, and inside this cell I will going to just add this code, but I will change the space of a layer 2 function and just see whether we are getting that output or not. So instead of adding this, I'm creating this def here, and let's run this code. Now I will run the example function. So it is still giving that. Now I will going to run it. Okay, so you see that I'm getting the same output like when I'm running this example, and this function I have defined inside this. Let me check again once. So it will give an error. So I'm just showing you what kind of different kind of error it occur, and it is showing unexpected indent. It means that you are facing an issue with the space, the arrangement, right? So just make a changes here. Now let's run once again. So when I'm running, it has run successfully. Now when I will run again, yeah, it's see this. So in this way, what do you mean by indentation? Indentation is just a space or the format where you arrange this code. So we have seen like how you can arrange the code in a proper format. If you do not arrange that, they might, your output will varies. So in this way we have seen it. Let me do some more changes. Now you see this, when I call this layer 2 with respect to this def layer 2 function, now you are getting both the output, right? But earlier when we run this example, it was giving something else. Now it was also giving you same, right? So in this way you can get the different kind of function. Okay, let me take it as a example 1, and here example 1, and let's run that. Okay, I have to run this one first. Now you see this, the example one, when I run this, it is giving me only one output, that is the print first indentation scope. But when I rearrange it and when I'm running this, it will give me both the output. That is the reason indentation play a very important role. And in this video, I have explained you with the different kind of space and different kind of indentation, how you can make changes to the indentation, and the output can varies. So hope you understand this indentation, what is an indentation. So in the next video, we will meet with more Python stuff. Till then, bye.